Hello everyone and welcome to the lecture on character sets and ranges. A character set is a group of characters enclosed in a square bracket. Let's look at some examples. So if I have a pattern that looks like this, AXY, so this will look for a pattern where A is followed by either X or Y. So it will look for AX or AY. Okay? So anything enclosed in a square bracket is called a character set. And if I have, let's say, A followed by exclusion sign, XY, this will look for anything but A followed by X or A followed by Y. So this would exclude A followed by X or A followed by Y. Okay? Another example is if I say AK, this will match any character between A and K. Similarly, I can make this capital A and upper K. So this will match any character, any upper character between A and K. And similarly, I can include the exclusion sign. This means this will exclude all uppercase characters from A to K. Okay? Let's look at some examples. Let's say I have a string XYY, XX, YYY, ZZZ, X. So let's match any character, any pattern XY, for example. So we can do that. First, we have to import our RE module. Then we have re.findAll R, and then my pattern followed by my text string, right? So for my pattern, I will pass a character set XY. So this will match X or Y. Let's run it. So I got X, Y, Y, X, X, Y, 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 X. So this looks for a pattern with either X or Y, right? All the Z's are excluded. Okay? What if I say exclude X or Y and run it? I only get Z, Z, and Z. Good. Let's look at another example. Let's say I want to find a matching pattern where X is followed by X or Y. Okay, for that, re.findAll, and then I have R and my pattern X followed by X or Y. And then I have my string text. Run it. So in this case, I got here X is followed by Y, and then I have another X followed by, since it's X or Y, I have the second match here. So I get two matches, right? What if I want to find out X followed by one or more X or Y? For that, I can say re.findAll R, and then pass my pattern X followed by, since it's one or more XY, I can add a plus sign here, and then my text string. Run it. So I got X, Y, 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 all of this, right? Since it's X followed by one or more X or Y. I got this. So this is greedy, right? And if I want to change this to non-greedy, I can pass a question mark, then run it. So I got XY and XY. Since it's X followed by either one or more Y, right? So the lowest match is 1. So that's why I got XY and then XX here. It doesn't take the whole, since it's not greedy, it doesn't take the highest match. It only takes the least match. Okay? So in this text string, let's say I want to find out X not followed by one or more X or Y. For that I can say RE that find all, then R, I have my pattern, and then for my text. So for pattern I have X, exclusion sign, not followed by X or Y. And by adding a plus sign I get X not followed by one or more X or Y, right? So run it. I get here X. So here I have X not followed by one or more X or Y. So I have the first match here, X, and then it excludes this 2 since they are X or Y. It will exclude that, and there's a space here, so that's one match. So we got X and space. Then we have another X here, right? So since it's followed by X or Y, it will exclude all of that. And then we have another X here, and this is not followed by X or Y, so it will take this XA, then it will take XB, then it moves on. This X is followed by X or Y's, right? And finally we have here XZ. So we got that result.